Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install a 4K player on your Hisense smart TV. This is very easy. Like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So your Hisense smart TV, the first step is for you to locate your app store. It should look the same like mine because Hisense smart TVs have the same video operating system and therefore the same video app store. So once you are here, just come over here and type in the name application, which in this case is 4K player. I'll come over here and I'll type in a new application. So I'll come over to numbers here and I'll type in 4 and I'll return to letters. Oh my god. Alright, I just typed 4, but here's the application already, so no need to continue searching. Here's over here, 4K player, and I click on it and it's going to bring me to the installation page. And all I have to do is just to click on install and the application should be installed to my Hisense smart TV. So if you find that video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.